welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly access the Health Directory by Healthy World Ear Network and why it's a valuable tool for anyone looking to take charge of their healthcare. The Health Directory by Healthy World Ear Network is designed to give you clear, organized, and reliable access to a wide range of healthcare providers and services. Instead of spending hours searching through scattered websites, this directory brings everything together in one place. Here's how it works. Step 1. Visit the Healthy World Ear Network platform. You'll see a section labeled Health Directory. That's where you begin. Step 2. Press here to enter the directory. Once inside, you'll find a well-structured list of healthcare providers arranged by specialty, location, and type of care. Whether you're searching for ear and hearing services, general medical care, or wellness support, everything is organized for fast results. Step 3. Use the search filters to refine your results. You can filter by city, clinic type, operating hours, or even patient reviews. This makes it simple to find the best match for your needs without wasting valuable time. Step 4. Check the detailed profiles. Each entry in the Health Directory includes important information such as clinic addresses, phone numbers, operating hours, and available services. Many also provide links for direct appointment booking, so you can move from search to action in minutes. Step 5. Connect with confidence. Healthy World Ear Network ensures that the information is accurate and regularly updated, so you can trust the directory to guide you to dependable healthcare solutions. To recap, visit Healthy World Ear Network, press on the Health Directory, explore the categories, apply filters to narrow down your choices, review the detailed provider profiles, and book appointments or contact clinics directly. The Health Directory by Healthy World Ear Network is more than just a list. It's your practical gateway to better healthcare access, designed to save you time and give you peace of mind. Press here to get the Health Directory by Healthy World Ear Network and start making smarter, faster healthcare decisions today.